Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jugal Solanki and today I'll take you one of the famous town of Portugal, Obidos. Obidos is located in Oyster region of Portugal and this is one of the historical town and very beautiful. You must see if you are in Portugal. Obidos town is not far away from capital city Lisboa. You can drive and reach within 1 hour if you take national highway. You can take trains and buses for here. It's easy to reach here. On our reach, we saw this huge parking space, so no worry about parking problem. And this space is just adjoined to the old city center. It is on walkable distance. Obidos is a fortified walled town. At top, a magnificent castle dominant on the hill with walls. At foot of the hill, old street telling amazing story of architecture and history of Portugal. This walled town was gifted to Queen by King on her wedding night. The town is simple, plain and colorful, full of shops, cafe and others. The cobblestone streets passing through this whitewashed yellow, blue and painted houses. In the beginning of Obidos, you will see a huge medieval gate and at the top of the hill you will reach at medieval castle. In bright daylight, the streets are vivid in blue and yellow colors and flower bougainvillea creepers make streets for perfect photography. So this Obidos town is perfect for your Portugal visit. Enjoy my rest of walking tour video in this video, and if you like my video then like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of video.